what's up, it's Bella. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're brand new. I'm gonna be doing a very exciting video. I should have done it 3 weeks ago, but I got busy at college. This is my dorm room tour. It is a bougie dorm room tour. I did it last year. I will link it down below. I'm a sophomore in college. I go to Southeastern University. It's in Lakeland, Florida. This is my roommate, by the way. She's a model. Oop. She's beautiful. I'm gonna try and link everything that I can down below for you guys to shop, like my mirror that I'm gonna show you guys and a few other like accessories around the room. But I am super excited for this video. I did a dorm room move-in vlog, like I said. That'll be down below, and let's go ahead and get started. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell. I post like 2 to 3 times a week. I post a lot of fashion videos, sneaker videos, and also college related content. Be sure to also like this video so I can know what content you guys want to see next, and if you have video suggestions, leave them down below, and follow my social medias, which are on the screen. I post fit pics on Insta and TikTok things, and it's a lot of fun. All right, so let's go and get started. I am super excited. I love you guys. Let's go. Okay, so the first thing you see when you walk in my room is these 2 closets. So I do have my ring light right here, so please excuse that. This is Morgan's closet, but here is mine. Last year in the dorm room that I was living in, if you guys watched that video, and you guys still can, in the description box, I didn't have like a nice closet that was like, not like a walk-in, but like, it's just so much better. So here is what my closet looks like. I am super happy with it. I actually had a lot more room down here, so I ended up getting these 2 things from Target, and they hold a bunch of stuff on my shorts and jeans and like athletic shorts. Up here I just have like hoodies. It's really hard to fold things and put them up there because I'm really short, so I'm sorry. And then I have a box right here. These have all my extra laces for all my sneakers, extra hangers, and I don't really have everything organized. I just have like graphic tees over here, dresses back here, which I don't typically wear a lot, but I have them just in case. And then I have some jackets, hoodies, crop tops, bodysuits, and I have these really cool hangers. I love these so much. They literally hold so much stuff on them. So I have like some shorts and then 3 denim skirts on here. So I love this. It saves so much more space in my closet, so definitely recommend these. Even if you're at home and you still have so much room, I still recommend like getting these because they're amazing. On top of this container, I just have like medicine and like random things like BioFreeze, and then some wrinkle release spray because Lord knows I need it with all of my stuff. And then I have like my Lululemon yoga mat, and then also what's this called, a laundry drying rack. I have a drying rack right here. Not really like the best area for all this stuff. I'll probably end up putting it somewhere else, but for now this is kind of what I have to deal with. So this is my closet. So much better than last year. I feel like a normal person because it was literally like a rolly wardrobe last year. So I love it a lot. And I lived with 8 people. Very interesting. Don't do that. Yeah, and then at my door, my super, super cool, amazing door. I love it. I have this mirror thing, and it has like hooks on it. So Morgan and I put our masks up here, our IDs, and then also like our keys when we're leaving. We have a trash can for trash, obviously, so that's right there. This is our sink. This is specifically just for Morgan and I. It's amazing because we don't share it with anybody else. I have this second drawer, and I just keep like my retainer, contacts, like that kind of stuff in here. And my flat iron's out. Flat my hair today. What's new? So yeah, we have our own sink, which is great. We can wash our dishes in here, which I don't really do dishes because I buy plastic because it's just so much easier in college. Don't come at me. I do what I can to save the world and make it a better place. But in college, washing your dishes in the same sink where you also brush your teeth it just irks me. So I don't do it. But yeah, this is our little area, and it's really nice. We have a huge mirror and some Hollywood studio lights. It's cool. Now moving on to the bathroom. I'm not going to put the light on because it's going to make a fan sound. But this is my little shower caddy. This is in my dorm room hall. So this is kind of everything laid out. I have my shower shoes right here, just these slides, our rug right here, and I just keep like feminine stuff down here, extra little washcloths, and then my shower stuff. So I just take this off when I go to the shower, and it has my soap and all that fun stuff in it. And I love this. Or I'll just like roll it, but the shower is like right here and the toilet's right there. And that's how I get that done. And then we have one other roommate in there, so there's 3 of us total sharing this area. But she also has her own sink, which is super cool. So I love you, Lola. Now on to my favorite part. This makes me feel like a princess. These are from Target, you guys. So the plan was to buy 2 and just like command strip them and let them hang. But my idiot self went to Target and I bought a small short one, and then I bought a really long one. So the best thing to do was just to drape them and make them look super interesting that way. And now I have to fix this later. Yay. Yeah, I just think it adds a little bit of a princess vibe, makes the room just more inviting and like ethereal. So that's what we're gonna go with. This is Morgan's side of the room. It's gonna be really funny when you guys see my side, which I'm not gonna show you guys yet, but you're gonna see it. We are two totally opposite people. Morgan is super boho, free spirit, and I'm like a free spirit person, but like not in this way. But it's amazing because we're two totally different people. We get along super well. I love her a lot, and I like her side of the room because it's really chill, like boho vibes. And then you switch to my side, it's crazy. Okay, so this is my dorm room. Just kidding, we're not gonna get ahead of ourselves. We're gonna start at the fridge. You guys don't get to see that yet. We have got this amazing fridge from Target. I love it. I've got a freezer space, which last year I didn't have this, so I just have gluten-free chicken nuggies, my detox shots, cotton candy grapes. I have ice cream back here, bread, everything, ice cubes. It's fun, and I love my fridge. And then we've got the big portion. And I eat pretty healthy, so you'll see a lot of healthy things. I have like broccoli and cauliflower. Sis loves to munch. Almond milk, more detox shots, tortilla soup, peppers, cucumbers, kind of everything. I have overnight oats, avocado, my coffee, my cold brew, and my creamer. And then I also have like dairy-free cheese and stuff in here. If you guys want to see like how to make good food in college, let me know, because I do make pretty good food in my dorm room, if I do say so myself. So this fridge is amazing if you guys want something for college that has both areas. It's super good. Not sponsored or anything, but I do really love my Keurig. So yeah, it's my Keurig. I use the Starbucks Pike Roast coffee things. This is what they look like, Pike Place. I love them a lot. These are my babies, so I keep them on hand stocked. And I just use this big one to fill up my water thing, just because I feel like it's just easier instead of like getting like little water bottles. I have my snackies up here. Sis, like I said, loves to munch. So I have like gluten-free like crackers up here, some nuts. I have my tortillas that I use for my sandwiches, which are really good. I have pretzels. I also have like seasoning in here when I make like rice or whatever. And then I have 2 bananas, which need to be eaten. And above my amazing food, we have my best friends. We've got LeBron James, Post Malone, Offset, and Michael Jordan. Literally obsessed with all 4 of these Funko Pops. I will try and link them down below. 4 of my favorite people ever, especially Michael Jordan. You'll see I'm a huge fan of Michael Jordan. Sneak peek. So yeah, then we have my infamous shoe rack. You guys know I'm a sneakerhead. I've been a sneakerhead for the past like 2.5, 3 years. I love sneakers so much. Definitely how I express myself, and I love streetwear, so I take pride in all my sneakers. I worked very hard to get them, and they make me happy. So we've got all my sneakers. We've got some Travis Scott's up here. I'm actually going to be doing like a Jordan 1 collection, so stay tuned. And I already have a sneaker collection. I'll link that down below. We've got my babies. These things, I'm like scared to like wear them because they were long with them, but I love them so much. They're so unique. They have like this pocket back here. I can't open it right now with one hand because I'm gonna break my nails, but a pocket back here to stick stuff in. Oh my god, I'm just obsessed. So I have pink laces on them right now. And the shoe rack is from Target. I've got my brand new blue Chills, have not worn. I've only laced one. Some twists, some UNC Obsidians, Royal Toes, Court Purples, Light Bulbs. I don't know the name of these. We got some satin toes, tie-dyes, Jordan 4s, off-white sails, Balenciagas, Dior's, and the list goes on. So I have got a lot of those and I love them, so stay tuned for the Jordan 1 collection. I'm going to be trying all of them on, and I have more, so stay tuned. So down in this corner is kind of hard to see, but I just have like waters back there, and I also keep just plates and silverware and peanut butter, things like that. And then in this thing right here, let's see if I can show you guys. I literally just have rice. Oh, sorry. I literally just have like rice in here and like pasta because I cooked that in my microwave, and it's really good. So this is like my food corner. I know it's like not the most appealing corner, but it's there, and there's got to be a place to store some food, so that's there. We've got my 2 posters of my favorite people in the world. We've got Post Malone signed by him, and then also we have the Michael Jordan poster. This is signed by him, and then Arnett. So I ended up like laminating it so it would stay better and preserve itself. And then I have Michael Jordan up here when he won his 4th championship, and I'm obsessed with him as well. We've got my desk and this little lamp. I just keep my everyday jewelry. I just have like a bracelet in here and my ring, and then another bracelet and earrings. This is from Home Goods. I just keep my everyday makeup in here. I don't really wear a lot of makeup, so this is just what I go to on the most. days. I've got my bling brushes in here, which I will link down below. The best makeup brushes you have ever seen. So mesmerizing. You guys can use code GORIA for 10% off. Check the link in the description. This cup right here just has like pins and my scissors. These are both from IKEA from like 4 or 5 years ago, so I don't know if they're available anymore, but they were really great to have and I love them. So right here on my desk, I just have my planner. This is from, oh, I forgot her name, Erin Condren. This is just an academic planner. I don't use it for anything else. My new book that was gifted to me from someone really amazing at our school, so I've started reading this and I really love it. Got my phone, and we've also got my MacBook, so I'm always studying and I always have this stuff on my desk. We've got my coffee because studying. I have a midterm tomorrow. And we've got my mirror over here. I will link this down below for you guys. This mirror is really great. I love it a lot. It has many sides to it and it lights up. Different kind of lighting. It's super good. It's from Easehold, so that will be down below for you guys. Got my perfume, some hand sanitizer because you know the vibes. Some B12 for some energy, and just a little post-it thing with some things I have to do on it. And then we've got my bed. This is the most comfortable college bed ever. I love it a lot. I've got 2 blankets. This one is from Target. This one's from Victoria's Secret. I love blankets. I love pillows. Duvet covers from Urban from 2 years ago, so I'm not sure if it's available anymore, but I will try and link it down below. This is from Urban as well. This is a custom pillow my brother's girlfriend got for me. It was in last year's video as well. I love it a lot, so I just keep it on this side. This is my pillow for when I'm studying because my friend Kayla stays in here like 24/7. So she's always doing homework on her desk, so I just lay on my bed with this. And then we have basic pillows back here. These butterfly lights are insanely gorgeous. They go to different like features, I guess, and like different lighting. I just keep it on like the simple one. But they're from Amazon. I love them so much. They're so pretty. They have like little butterfly acrylics on them. And then we have my lips. Man, do I love my lips. These are amazing. This is also from Amazon. It's just like a bright pink one. I'm not really a fan of like these 2 cords, but can't help it. I have these on command hooks. And then also my LED strips are from Luminosity. I will link them down below. The best LED strips ever. I'm gonna put them on a different color to show you guys how amazing they are. We're gonna do like purple. They're so good. So you're just gonna put it on like the receiver box, point it, and you've got different colors. They sent these to me and they literally have made my room so much better. So I'm 10/10 obsessed. We've got 2 more containers from Target, and then also my hair tie. But these slippers are from UGG. I love them a lot. I literally walk around with them all the time. I've got some undies up here, some bras, socks, and then I have miscellaneous, set active, and then this one is completely empty. I keep my devotionals and all that stuff on top of here. Extra set of sheets. In this little container, I just have stuff for filming. So I'm filming like a fall haul soon, and this is what I collect all my stuff for those videos. And then I also have some new sneakers that I got, which will also be in my fall video, so stay tuned for that. So in this top drawer, I just keep t-shirts. I have a bunch of my t-shirts in here. Literally, I wear t-shirts every day. My go-to hoodie, and then a few pairs of like shorts, and then some Lululemon Align leggings, which is what I go to the most. But yeah, just some t-shirts in here. Second drawer. Oh, we've got athletic wear, sweatpants, all that fun stuff in here. I forgot to tell you guys. Yeah, it kind of gets cluttered sometimes, but I have like all of my purses right here. This will be in an upcoming video. I just got her. I was on the wait list for 3 months for this bag. So shout out to the Tampa store for getting it for me. I'm so happy. I also got the green strap. My Prada bag is on here, and then my OG Gucci bag. Got my camera bag on here as well. This is a bedside caddy from Amazon. It just sticks to under your bed so you have like a nightstand kind of. Because I don't have one beside me because I couldn't find one. But I just keep like my sleep mask in here, which I will link down below. I cannot sleep without this thing. I keep a water in here. My charger, and then my phone when it charges overnight also stays in here. And then I have a heating pad because I have back pain 24/7. So I just keep that in there because back problems. And that is my dorm room tour, you guys. That is everything. I'll do an overlay right now of my whole dorm room. But this was such a fun video. I love how everything, you know, kind of came together. It's super just vibey over here on my side, and I really love it. And I don't know, what do you guys think about my room? Is there anything I could add? What would you guys change, or what would you guys add to my room? So much better than last year. I actually have like my own side compared to last year. I had like literally like a square, like a corner in the room. It was terrible, but thankful that I have this room. Really blessed. I love you guys so much. Have an amazing rest of your day. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell and like this video, and follow my social medias that are on the screen for future content. I'm so excited. I have so many things up my sleeve for content. I am just pumped. So something I want to talk to you guys about today is time management. This past week I have been doing really bad with it, and I got really overwhelmed yesterday, like not knowing what to do. I have like 100 things in my mind, all these ideas, all these assignments. I'm not sure where to start. Google Calendar has been my baby recently, and I've just been getting everything done on that. So I recommend doing that or getting a planner. There's so many amazing planners, which I will try to link down below as well. It's really great when you can write things down and just get them done and just like have reminders to do them. Sticky notes are also my best friend. I love them so much, and I always just have them laying around when I have a thought in my head that I need to get done and things like that. So get your life together. It feels so much better when you just have everything like intact and you can get through it throughout the day and stick to it within 21 days. Obviously, that's how long it takes to create a habit. So I recommend doing that. I love you guys so much. Stay happy, stay positive, and never let people take that smile off your face. I'll see you guys very soon. Mwah. Bye, guys.